Okay, I don't know what I did, but I was trying to turn the volume up, but I started at 9:59. It's 10 now. So now this is supposed to take 3 minutes. It says on the box 3 minutes. Once it boils, it will completely turn off when it's on. I have to honestly say that when I'm doing a million things and I'm in the kitchen, I have 3 kids, I'm using the microwave, I'm doing this, and I just, I plugged my little kettle up. I have one, but it's an old plastic one. I wanted to upgrade, because we eat a lot of Chinese noodles, and I like to put the hot water in there and just let it set until we're ready to eat it and let it cool off. It's been 1 minute and 19 seconds so far, according to my timer. Meantime, you can be getting your cup ready, putting your chamomile tea in, like I just got finished drinking chamomile. Have your coffee in the morning, like when you're getting your cup ready, you're putting all your ingredients in it. The first thing you have to do is already have your water in there. Just pop your little level switch on the side. Just push this button down. It moves around, does all of that. It's been 2 minutes and 10 seconds. You're doing your bagel and your toaster. You're doing your eggs. And of course, the last thing you want to do is you don't want to do your coffee first, because you don't want it to be all nice and you don't want your coffee to be like warm. Coffee is the last thing that you want to do. So we're at 2:39, 2:40. Coming up. It's supposed to take 3 minutes. Okay, guys, we're at 3 minutes. Exactly 3 minutes. Do you see that? Like boiling water. Once it finished boiling, guess what it does? Ha! It shuts off by itself. Do you see that? And then you pick up your boiling water, you bring it over. Where's my cup? You bring your boiling water over to your cup. See my chamomile in there? And just do not open the top. Do not push this button and open the top. Okay? Do not push the button and open the top. Just pour it straight in there, like this. Do you see that, people? Ah! Look at that. And then you just bring it right on back over here. Listen, I have so many gadgets. I have become Miss Amazon Gadget. I have everything. Air fryer. Look, that. Look, that. Spin brushes. You name it, I got it. But this right here, hey, best friend. That's it. Don't have to do anything else until you're ready in the morning to do your breakfast. All right, over and out.
going to do a little review. So we need hot water to be able to get our mush to soak. And generally I get a brand new coffee pot that's never got coffee in it. This puppy is on Amazon. I think it was like $22 for this specific one. I'll post the link below. It says 3 minutes. It has got 49 seconds left out of 3 minutes. I could tell you right now it's already bubbling. And it's already hot. This is going to work perfect for my puppy mush. Like, I am so excited. It is made by, I guess, Hey Neighbor. Double power, water kettle. There's all the stuff on it right there. It's got automatic shut off, which is perfect because I used to leave the coffee pot on all the time. It's got a little light that lights up. This part is on the bottom. I will show you how it disconnects here in approximately 4 seconds. Let's see if it's actually 3 minutes, shall we? There's your 3 minute. Now that was from beginning to end. It's still going. I think I'm going to see what it does on the automatic shut off. Your turn on is this little switch right here. It's super hot. I should have no problem, even with as hot as it is right now, to be able to soak some kibble. Can you see it's just boiling in there? Like I said, I use baby water in here. Oh my goodness. That is super hot. This is going to be perfect even for the use of like making tea. Oh, I'm so excited! To put it in aspect of the size, this is a normal gallon of Odorand, so it shows you the size there. And, ooh, it's boiling. I think it really is going to make my life a lot easier. It is, however, a little over 3 minutes before it decided to flip the switch. I'm not really sure how long it's going to take to do that, but right now it is plenty hot enough to soak some kibble. The hotter the water, the faster the kibble soaks, so that you don't have to soak it all day long. Oh, I'm so excited!
I just plugged this in and it's already almost done. Look at the boiling. It's definitely probably already hot enough, but I literally just turned it on. And I love the pretty blue. Definitely reminds you kind of of a lava lamp, especially when it starts boiling. Super easy to use. You pop that open, pour the water in, and you hit this little thing down. It instantly starts boiling. And when it's done, that little thing will pop up, and it's done. And it's really great. That's the new hot pot. All of that water, enough for 2 large cups. See, sometimes I even come back and after I'm done with my first cup, I'll grab it and I'll just pour whatever's left over in the cup, and it's enough for another big huge cup. And I also use it for my oatmeal in the morning. So my daughter and I get up, I turn it on. By the time she's ready to leave for school, she makes hot cocoa, I make my tea, make my oatmeal, I'm ready to go for the day. Great product. I don't look at, there's my coffee maker. Don't barely use it anymore. It does have some leftover coffee from my cousin, but and that's it. Best hot pot out there, I think. Especially great price. And it came the same day.
Normally it turns off about 10 seconds after it starts to boil.